Alright guys, it's the Wandering Weasel back today. I'm in Abingdon, Virginia. I'm going to take you down through the historic downtown, just show you some of the sights. We're actually looking at the Abingdon United Methodist Church, established 1784. It's a pretty neat looking church, and we've got birds circling the top of it. I don't understand that exactly, but a little odd. So alright guys, let's walk on down through here and I'll show you some of the old historic buildings in downtown. The sidewalks here are actually made out of brick through the historic downtown. Goodman jeweler, excuse me for that. Just a really old historic side of Abingdon, guys. If that is your thing, if you're in the area, you have to check it out. Got some pretty tree right here bloomed up next to this building. You can tell by looking at it, guys, it's really old architect. Really neat though. If you're on 81 going south or north, passing through by the Abingdon area, if you have a few minutes, stop and drive through the downtown. It's really nice. And if you want to stay, check out the Martha Washington Inn to stay in town here. It's a historic hotel. Alright guys, now we're on down in town and we're near another church here in town. The St. Thomas Episcopal Church. Kind of hard to say that. I can't exactly say that. But we also got birds kind of flying over and circling it too, as well. And you can see the cross on top of it. And it is stained glass. And you got some more over here to the side of it. The building. That's really old architect, guys. Alright, we'll walk on down through. I'll show you some more of these old historic places. I think this one's actually like a little consignment shop, maybe. I want to think this is maybe somebody's house. I'm not 100% positive of that. We've got another church right here beside the St. Thomas one. Sinking Springs is what this one is what actually Abingdon used to be named before it was Abingdon years and years ago. And right there is its steeple, as you can see. Big old building, guys. It is. It's the Presbyterian Church, actually. We will go on down through a little bit here. I'll show you some more of the downtown. That's a big old steeple of that church. Stained glass windows in it. If you, I'm trying to look right here, site of Black's Fort. The fort, built in 1776, stood a short distance to the south. Here, the first court of Washington County was held January 28, 1777. If you go down this highway right here by this sign, actually goes down to the beginning of the Virginia Cooper Trail. Black's Fort is actually the original name of Abingdon was that was before Sinking Springs, actually. Sinking Springs was the second name before Abingdon. Just a lot of old time architect, guys. It really is. Yeah, it is. It's a pretty nice looking little town. Greenway Trig building. Not quite sure what that is. Olive Oil Company. Abingdon Olive Oil Company. Sorry. And you can see the building. And there's birds circling it as well. They're circling all these old historic buildings. Oh, and we have a duck wandering down the sidewalk to us. Oh, we got a few ducks here actually. Wandering around. Yeah, there's one of them. There comes up the other one right in front of it. Alright guys, we're going to go on down through here because we're getting rain again. They have an ice cream, fudge, and coffee shop on the other side of the road. Right there. This is the Washington County Courthouse that you're seeing in front of me with the big high roof and such, with the green and white tower top of it. Alright guys, here's a little bit closer view of the courthouse. There is several more little historic buildings on downtown, but it is trying to rain on me pretty good right now, so I'm going to show you this. Is it Confederate soldiers of Washington County, Virginia? It's next to the courthouse. I'm going to zoom in on that. Right there. But yeah guys, if you're in the area, stop by, go down and check it out. But if you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and this is the Wandering Weasel signing off.